I'm going to show you how to download Codex or OpenAI's Codex. First, you want to go to openai.com/codex, and then you want to press download for Windows. This will take you to the Microsoft Store. You can also open up the Microsoft Store directly on your computer and search for Codex, and then install the first app, which is this one here from OpenAI. And once it's installed, you can click on the open button, and this will open up the app, which you can see right here. And this, if you want to use the Codex app directly. You can also use Codex with IDEs such as Visual Studio Code. You can use it as an extension by going to Extensions, search for Codex, and then install the first one here, which is Codex OpenAI Agent. And then click on the OpenAI logo on the top right here, sidebar, and start running commands. You can also use the command line tool for Codex by opening up the PowerShell or terminal, and then this will require Node to be able to run npm commands. Then you will need to run the following command, npm install-g openai/codex, and this will install the Codex CLI tools. And once it's installed, you can run Codex commands such as create script or do whatever in your project. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.